this will probably this this will probably be the final video. My little campfire. This was a holy oil. Was. There we go. So, to conclude this beautiful evening, this beautiful evening, I have a little old fire. I'd like it to boil. God, this has been a wonderful night. All I can say is, to add perspective, as I look out right now, all I see are an intricate lattice of blackness forming into grayness, forming into a bit of yellow and greenness, brown, red, orange, blue, blackness out there of what once, just hours ago, was magnificent beauty. Even though it's blackness right now, and there is no sun, and you cannot see anything, and it looks gray. Out there is magnificent. Just magnificent. I mean, if all I can give you out of what tonight's given me is to just go out in nature and bring all the supplies you'll need to just be alive for a day and a bit maybe. And to make a fire, cook stuff, to pick that stuff up. To have a pot to make your tea in, have a bottle to put it in, just have stuff that you need to have to make the moment good, but just go out into nature and find a place that you find extraordinarily beautiful and just go around and look for the little tidbits of trees, branches, little twigs. Just gather all those up, and kind of have a spot that you can tell is where you'd like to place the fire, or where the fire would like you to place it, and just, gather all that around there and get a whole lot more than you think you'll need, and just sort of hang out with nature, make yourself up some food, make a beautiful little tea for dining, and just kind of get into the groove with the fire, air, water, the forest around you. Just you'll get what I'm saying by groove. Like a notch, like the way that everything fits in when you get out here, when you make that fire, when you try and get that pot sitting on that fire in a way that will boil but will not crush the fire, put it out. I mean, if you can do all that, I mean, that's just tertiary that I came out here for. Just kind of getting lost in the basics. I guess what I'm trying to say is, if you can overthink all that you can think that you'll need, and you can do that before you go out into nature, then just all you have to do is just be in nature, and then everything that you need is given to you from you in your pack from a day ago. Got my tea here. Setting off fireworks in the distance. Sense I have. It's called spirituality. It's just delicious. It smells like a Zen Buddhist practice. Like a Himalayan orchard. as a side note, I'd really like to play around with hot rocks. It'd be a lot easier if I had my tongs. But yeah, hot rocks to put in the coals of a fire, because they're going to retain more temperature than the wood coal plasma, right? So I guess to use rocks, hot rocks, as kind of the thing to invest heat into in my fire, so that after it's all out into the air, heat retains in the rocks, and then you can take the rocks, yeah, stick one of those in the fire, in the water, and it'll boil it up. Or you could, I don't know, stick a hot rock inside a chicken breast, if you were so inclined. Does that have to sound so dirty? Ew, check it out. Hot rocks, they're cool. Throwing in a puddle. I'm nice and drained. I can sleep beautifully tonight. If and when these videos eventually upload, I'll have to say I got over and over and over and over again more than I expected today. I didn't even expect to be here. Thought I was going to Jackson Park. Here I am at the creek by the pipe, but the pipe is no longer with us. I mean, the pipe is there, but the nature around it is just sand blasts destroyed by, I don't know, people and machines and stuff, I guess. A lot of wood chips, black tarps. But this spot is beautiful, just a little bit down. And you know, I have fresh water close by. Quick little jog. The rapids here. I might as well make this into a profile of the pipe, because I come here all the time, and it's just beautiful, and there's a reason that I do. And right now in the fall, like, gosh, I ran into a cat earlier. You may have seen him, maybe not, maybe in some of my phone videos. But I ran into this awesome cat, which is cool, because I've had cat vibes lately. Just the other day, I was going to get some crystals, because I'm starting to get into crystals, and there was this carnelian, and it looked so much like a cat with a bit of sass. And I don't know, I just vibe with that, and I don't know, like, I have my own cat, but this is like a new cat. Wildcat. Yeah, he was cool. He was part of my trip, and he came up. He was super friendly. Well, not at first. Like, I had to kind of call him over, but like, once he got the hang of me, he's super friendly. He even let me hold him. It's just somebody's cat, I guess. And he walked me down to the river there. And he went across the stream. I'm like, how the fuck did you get over there? And like, there was just barely enough little boulders in the water to step over. And I stepped over, and I tried to follow him, and I lost him totally. But I was sort of off on my own now, and it's just gorgeous. The little fall colors that were in this, I guess, floodplain sort of thing. There's a lot of rocks in there, and about 8-9 feet of strange grassy plants, I guess. They were just gorgeous. purple, orange, and these bright, vivid greens. It's beautiful. There's this one thing I found gorgeous that I took a little bit of it, kind of uprooted it. I thought I might be able to eat it, but I fired it a little, and it got so hard that I couldn't bite into it. So maybe next time. But the grass was really nice from it, and I stick that in my vase at home, I think, with all the sticks. The rapids, the gentle little, I don't even know if you could call them rapids, like fingertip rapids maybe. It's just beautiful. Like, I wish I could show you on this camera, but like, if I could quote myself, I need a night camera. If I had a night camera, I could show you so much more amazing stuff. So much more. Like, I can't even show you what I'm looking at right now. But the little rivulets, floodplain of rapids, that I could show you for sure in this moonlight. God, it's just so beautiful. I feel really shitty that I can't put it on camera because it really wouldn't show up. But like what I'm looking at now out from here is just sort of gray. But that's okay. I know it's not really gray. It's just an illusion that it's gray. The lack of illumination, really. I wish I could shine enough light just from my pineal gland to light it on up so I can take a gander again, but I have to leave that till tomorrow, till next year maybe, because I doubt I'll be back here tomorrow. I will be in Toronto, because it's my brother's birthday tomorrow. So happy birthday, brother. It could be tomorrow already. I'm not really sure. Phone is giving up the ghost. Who knows what we're at now? Thought I had a wire. Sidetracked. Yeah. A couple more tips. Make sure your batteries are fully charged and your phone is fully charged, because what a pain in the butt when it's not. But we'll get through it. I can't show you right now, but I really, really love this phone holster I got. Well, it's a phone case with a